Everybody, welcome back to another video about Bittorrent token. My friends, in this video I'm talking about the latest and urgent update of the BTT token. Absolutely, my friends, today is your day, so celebrate it now. But my friends, before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Let's start this video and let's go ahead. But before starting this video, again I request all of you to please click the subscribe button now. My friends, now the latest price of the BTT token Bittorrent in the market is 0.002882 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the BTT token. And furthermore, if you talk about the price changes occurs in the Bittorrent token, so now the last 1 hour, the last 1 day changes of the BTT token is negative. Completely the price is dumps. Just in only, my friends, you can see here the last 1 week, last 7 days changes of the BTT token is positive, and except of the last 7 days, now the last 1 day, you can see, my friends, every change is going negative. And still you can see the last 1 hour, last 60-minute update is negative. So that's mean that still they are in the lows, my friends. But my friends, that's why I'm telling you that it's your day, because I know about the future of the Bittorrent token. And you know what, my friends, my on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of my personal research about Bittorrent token, I believe and I'm sure about that possibilities, my friends, 90% possibilities that BTT token will take a huge pump in August, my friends. So that's why, my friends, you have to hold BTT token to the last of August. And if you want to buy BTT token, so I also request everybody, I also recommend for all of you to invest now more and more in a BTT token. They will give you only profit, not loss. Anyways, what is your opinion? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.